Ever wondered how you can have a conversation with an AI? Well, today we're delving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. This guide is perfect for beginners and all those intrigued by AI and chatbots. So, are you ready to dive into the world of AI conversations with ChatGPT? But how does ChatGPT generate these human-like text responses? Well, it's all about pattern recognition. ChatGPT employs deep learning, specifically using a model known as the transformer. This model analyzes patterns within vast amounts of text data, learning to generate coherent, contextually appropriate responses. And here's the fascinating part. The more data the model is trained on, the better its responses become, making it more adept at mimicking human conversation. In essence, ChatGPT learns to talk just like you and me. Now, you must be wondering, how can I have a chat with this AI? Well, it's as simple as typing your message or question into the chat interface. ChatGPT will then generate a response, providing answers or engaging in casual conversation. Just type in your question or message, and voila, you're chatting with an AI. But remember, even though it's advanced, ChatGPT has its limitations. It could sometimes create offbeat or inappropriate responses, particularly when dealing with ambiguous or sensitive topics. So, while ChatGPT is brilliant, it's important to use it wisely. Here are some tips to get the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. Keep your prompts clear and concise and give ChatGPT time to generate responses. Experiment with different conversation topics to see how it responds. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a ChatGPT pro. For the developers out there, you might be wondering how you can use ChatGPT in your own projects. Well, with OpenAI's API, you can seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into your applications or websites, creating custom chatbots or enhancing existing platforms. OpenAI's documentation is a great resource to get started. With ChatGPT, the possibilities for AI-powered conversations in your applications are endless. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to chatting with an AI. We've explored how ChatGPT works, how to interact with it, and the endless possibilities it offers for AI-driven conversations. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI conversations with ChatGPT. Happy chatting! Happy